Once again, whizzing around my local Asian supermarket, which is, by the way, is an amazing place full of fantastic things. We're gonna make some lovely, easy Chinese sausage today. Let's get moving. So there's lots and lots of different types of Chinese sausage. You can get pork generally, beef, chicken and things like that. Like this is a pork sausage, it's quite fatty. Get it chopped up. Couple of tablespoons of oil in there, and then some sliced garlic. Quite heavy on the garlic. There's probably maybe half a head there. A little bit of onion, not too much onion in this one. So we're gonna get that in. I'm using white onion, use red or brown if you want. So nice and hot. Let's spin that around for a minute or so. Then let's get our sliced sausage in there. Like I say, this is a pork sausage, many types. Again, throw that around in the pan. For about 3 or so minutes. Okay, next up. Little bit of green beans in there. Just like half a cup maybe. Black pepper, plenty of that. And let's just cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Some water, about half a cup of water, get that in there now. That's going to help kind of cook the vegetables as well. I'm using a light soy sauce here, a couple of tablespoons. Just cook that until the vegetables are nice and ready, and then finish that off with some large cut green onions. You may notice I didn't put any salt in this because we added the soy, and these sausages can be quite salty. That's it. It's really simple. It's super delicious. Keep safe. Keep well. See you soon. Lots of love.